Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can download and install the Valorant on your PC and laptop. So let's start without wasting our time guys. So first of all, you need to bring up your browser, whichever you use. I use personally Google Chrome. So on the search, you need to type here Valorant download, and once you search that, you need to go to this link. This is the official link of their website, playvalorant.com. Just click on download the game and click on download button here. You need to have the account for that also. If you don't have, we can make it later. So as you can see here, exe is going to download now. So once exe is downloaded, as you can see here, it will go to the download folder. Like so. You need to double click on it. And simply you need to run it. You need to click on this install on button, and this is going to download now. Now in here guys, you need to sign in with your account. If you don't have, then you can make it. You can see the button here, create one. So I'm going to create here the account for me. Just you need to click on this option, play for free. Create one. If you already have the account, you can directly sign in with that. Now you need to enter the code which is sent on your Gmail. Now choose your basic information. The password should be a strong password, must contain the uppercase, lowercase. So once you enter the correct password and the strong password, all the tick are boxes here like this. You need to click on confirm password. Once again, hit next. Accept terms and condition here. Tick this box, I agree the terms and condition, and click on accept. Now once you enter all the credentials here, you will see here the page like this. You can see your account. Now let's log in with your account now. You have to accept terms and condition again. Accept it. And you can see here the install button. You just need to click on install now. Now you can see the path of its downloading. You can also change the path if you want here, but I'm just leaving it as default. All users, select install. Now you can see the progress of this Valorant installing. You need to wait here for some time, and after that you will see the play button. it is going to install automatically. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.